And welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a dessert. I don't know why I'm looking over there. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be making a dessert. I haven't made a dessert in a while, so I figured we're going to make a dessert. And it's coming to you from, once again, Eat More of What You Love cookbook. So today we are going to be making a fresh orange and almond cake. This is gonna be interesting. So there's only, let me just give you a rundown of how many calories and stuff are in here before we jump into it. So there's only 200 calories per slice. There is 2 grams of fiber, 7 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat total, and there's only 230 milligrams of sodium and 80 milligrams of cholesterol. So overall, it's not a bad dessert. So let's go ahead and get into this. The first thing is you need a medium pot. You need 1 orange. We're going to fill this medium pot 2/3 of the way up. 2/3 of the way up. Once we get that finished, we are going to drop in this 1 medium orange into the pot. Full, whole, do nothing else to it. You're just gonna drop it in. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium, cover and simmer orange for 1 hour. Okay, so like I said, we're just gonna let this simmer for 1 full hour. So I will be back in 1 hour. So while the orange is actually kind of simmering and getting all, I guess, loosened up and everything like that, I'm gonna start the other items. So what you need to do is grab 3/4 cup of almonds, and we are going to put these in a food processor. Okay, so I have it in my food processor here, which is my little Link Chef that I absolutely love. And we are just going to process these until they're finely chopped. That should be good. Perfect. So we have finely chopped almonds here. So 3/4 cup flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, that was setting my oven at 350. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We've got our 3/4 cup of almonds. We're just gonna add in. Mix this in a little bit. Now we are going to mix 3 eggs, some oil, and some of our no sugar into the mixture for about 5 minutes. So while this is mixing, here's what you can do as well. This is actually finished, but during that mixing time, your orange should be finished after about an hour. So now what we have to do, get your little knife here, and we are going to take the orange out of this hot water. So we actually want to cut this in 4ths and take out all the seeds. So we have our orange, and we're just going to slice it into 4ths. And you can see it's very hot. And we're going to find these seeds, which I don't think my orange has seeds. I don't think my orange has seeds. Do you see seeds? Hot. I don't see any seeds in these oranges. Maybe I got an orange that has no seeds in it. No seeds, no seeds. Okay, well, that's fine. If my orange had seeds, then I would take those out. I'm also going to take off the end of that. Get your little food processor again. We're going to take each of these. We're going to put them in. We are putting the entire orange in. Rind, everything. So we're just going to put these in here, like this. And we are going to pulsate this. Just pulsate it until it is pulsed. Here we go, pulsed orange. So now that we have our eggs beaten, we're gonna take our flour mixture and our almond mixture, and we are going to just fold this in to the eggs. We don't want to disturb it too much because we want that light and fluffiness. So you can use a wooden spoon if you don't have a spatula, or vice versa. So here's what Mary Berry told me. Scoop, middle. Scoop around to the middle. Scoop around in the middle. Scoop around in the middle. This is how you fold in your beautiful. Now, when we have that, we're now taking our mixture our orange mixture that we just crushed up. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're not going to mix it as much. We're just gonna lightly fold in. Just like so. Perfect. Now I've got my greased 9-inch pan. That is a spring. It's a springy one. So now we're just going to dump this in here. Now we are going to put this into the oven. So we're just going to let that bake for about 35 minutes. I'm gonna put my timer, 35 minutes. And then after that, we will see what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, so it says it's finished. Let's see if it's finished or if it's lying to me. I'm gonna puncture it in the center. Make sure it comes out clean. And it looks like it does. Hooray, hooray, hooray. So, this is what it looks like right now. We now have to cool this on a cooling rack. The result, after it gets finished cooling, like I said, if you had a sifter, you can sift the powdered sugar around it. But in my case, I did not have it. So here is my orange and almond cake. We shall try this out. Try it out later, but I think it looks pretty good for my first time making it. And it should be pretty good. So, yay, enjoy. And with that, make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. And I greatly appreciate you watching my videos. So with that, I'm off. Bye.